Front angle hero shot. Welcome to the SkyRaptor V-91. From the front you see its razor nose and sculpted wings, a predator's profile built for speed, stealth, and an unmistakable presence in the sky. Top-down aerial over ocean. From above the stealth geometry becomes clear, swept wings and a narrow fuselage cut drag and maximize stability. The reflective coating hints at advanced materials and careful contouring. Side profile on runway. On the ground the V-91 looks coiled and ready. Every panel and seam minimizes radar return. The stance and proportions promise explosive acceleration the moment the engines spool. Rear takeoff with afterburners. When the afterburners ignite, the jet surges forward. Feel the raw thrust and watch the smoke trail, a visual and visceral reminder of the power packed into its twin engines. Cockpit canopy close-up. Look into the cockpit. A panoramic canopy and holographic HUD create a pilot-centric command center. Data, targeting, and flight modes float intuitively for rapid decision-making. Hangar maintenance scene. In the hangar the modular design shows its value, panels open easily, components are accessible, and turnaround times are reduced, smart engineering for high-tempo operations. Low angle against storm clouds. A low-angle shot frames the V-91 as an almost mythic figure. Against storm clouds its silhouette reads as dominance and resilience, built to operate in severe weather. Mountain pass flight. Through narrow mountain valleys the V-91 demonstrates nimble handling. The control surfaces respond instantly, turbulence is managed with remarkable stability and pilot confidence. Engine turbine macro. Close on the turbines reveals precision metallurgy and compact engineering. These engines balance high thrust, thermal efficiency, and reduced signatures for sustained, reliable performance. High-speed mid-air turn. In aggressive maneuvers the SkyRaptor proves razor-sharp. It rolls, banks, and accelerates with minimal lag, flight controls that feel direct, predictable, and lethal when seconds matter. Night shot with LED accents. At night the optional LED accents give the jet a futuristic look while aiding ground ops. It's aesthetic and functional, visually striking without compromising stealth properties. Landing gear deployment. During approach the landing gear extends smoothly and locks with precision. Touchdown is controlled and soft, showing the design's attention to both performance and pilot comfort. Stealth black variant in fog. The matte stealth finish absorbs light and reduces visibility. Combined with low observable shaping, this variant excels in covered entry and low visibility missions. High altitude surveillance mode. At altitude the multi-sensor suite paints a 360-degree tactical picture. Long and short-range sensors work together, giving superior situational awareness and low-latency threat updates. Underbelly during climb. View the underbelly as weapon bays open. Internal carriage preserves stealth while allowing rapid weapons deployment. Structural integrity and clean aerodynamics remain uncompromised. Breaking the sound barrier. Witness the vapor cone and shockwave as it passes Mach. That moment is proof. The V-91 can accelerate to transonic speeds with controlled stability and aerodynamic refinement. Blueprint-style render. The blueprint reveals the careful system's layout, redundant avionics, modular power plants, and maintainable subsystems. Design choices prioritize mission flexibility and field serviceability. Low flight over desert. Flying low over arid terrain shows its adaptability. Dust handling intake design, stable low-altitude control, and a profile that moves smoothly through heat and sand. Effects. Exploded 3D technical view. Finally, the exploded view exposes the inner architecture, avionics, propulsion, and structural elements assembled with deliberate engineering. The SkyRaptor V-91 is a coherent system: stealth, power, agility, and sustainment in one package. The SkyRaptor V-91 isn't just a fighter, it's a next-generation statement in aerospace design, lethal, intelligent, and engineered for dominance.